Welcome back again in our YouTube channel, guys. So this video I want to teach to you how to earn legit earnings, guys, website, which is you can earn, guys, daily with stable income, no? So disclaimer, guys, this is not a sponsored video. Do your own research, guys, if you want to jump these ways of earnings, guys, here in online. So this is legit, guys, website. This is former Picoworkers. So now, guys, they changed the name of their domain or the website. This is Sproutgigs now, guys. So as you can see, I have $2, almost $3, guys, in my pending and earn total. So now, guys, I want to share to you how to earn, guys, because many few guys not know how to earn in this job, guys. No. So first, guys, you need to register. So you need to register, guys. So click sign up. So and po, guys, so just write your real name or to verify your account, guys. No. So email, password, then just continue, guys. Just click I'm a worker. If you want to advertise your website or social media, you can use employer. So if you're a worker like me, so just click worker, because we can earn, guys, here for free, just visiting website, watching videos, and many tasks, guys. No. So that's all, guys, how to sign up. So this is my account. Just make sure, guys, that you enable the worker. So next step, click micro job, then click find job. So this is the first ways of earnings, guys. First, click the category. So if you want to sign up, so this is the first ways of earnings. Click apply. So as you can see, guys, you will only sign up this website. So more for KYC. So you will reward half of $1, guys. No. So this is, guys, website. So just read the instruction. For example, if we click this start click, so you can see, guys, the instruction here, guys. You can follow the employer. So first, guys, you want to know first the number of this, guys. So this is not a good number because 720 is the maximum. So only one left. So you need to find another job, guys. So for example, ito, guys, Wednesday. So this is, guys, so only 23 do this job, and there's more remaining, guys. So just read always, guys, the international or worldwide and the excluded countries, guys. Now, so this is the rules, what is expected from workers. So you need to, guys, follow the rules, guys. Now, so just submit the screenshot. Then so I will teach you, guys, the most basic, guys, to earn here, guys, is the SEO. This is the basic, guys, SEO, because you will only visit website and clicking ads. So for example, this is guys, SEO plus promote content plus engage 1x. So just click guys. So this is the simple ways to earn here guys. So eyes on here guys, the excluded countries. So you must watch here guys. So this is the expected from workers. So first, open your mobile browser. So copy this link guys, copy, then you need to clear guys your browser, clear browsing history and cookies. So paste guys the link, then continue, then we'll back to the so just read guys, read the post until the end. So visit any 10 posts, 30 seconds per page. So maximum of 3 minutes overall guys staying on the website. So visit 10 posts. So I use another browser guys now to perform well. So let's find any post, visit the post guys in 30 seconds. So scroll down, so another post guys, click this post. So you need to click 10 posts. So according to the rules guys, no. So visit 10 posts, then so guys, submit the 8 visited URL. So if you visit 8 posts, you need to copy the link and paste here, the same as 10 posts and the step 5. So I cut the recording guys. So now this is my 8 visit post. So click that 8 post, then copy the URL guys. So click copy the URL, copy, then paste here guys into the proof. So submit the 8 visited URL. So the second is submit 10 posts. So if you reach that 10 posts guys, so this is my 10 visited posts. So you need to copy the URL and paste here guys the 10 URL. Then the step 3, this is the step 3 guys. So this is the last step. So step 5, just copy this link, so copy this link guys, paste here. Then this is the step 5 now. Just follow this guys. After you visited the 10 articles, so click random ads and visit 2 pages. So stay guys in 1 minute. So just follow this guys. So you need to click on ads. So this ads, then stay in 1 minute. So visit pages guys, so click this menu, so click any page guys. For example, about us, click the about us, then copy the link and click copy the link and submit guys. So after you submit, your work is pending. So here po guys, so just wait guys in 24 hours now. So this is my previous work task. I earned $0.03 per work. So I started this week guys, I earned $3 in this work guys. So you can withdraw guys when you reach $5. So if you don't have link guys, just register guys using my links. Thank you for watching.